Welcome to Mystic Rick's Crypto Picks. I am your host, Mystic Rick, and today we're going to learn about PrimeXBT, an amazing exchange, and I'm going to go through a full tutorial with you. Before we get started, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm. In this tutorial, the complete guide to leverage trading on PrimeXBT, you will learn exactly how to trade Bitcoin, altcoins, and numerous crypto derivatives on the PrimeXBT platform. I will also give you a step-by-step guide on Bitcoin margin trading. PrimeXBT stands out from the crowd when it comes to quality of service and the sheer number of available assets to trade on the platform. This crypto exchange offers users high liquidity in over 70 plus different asset classes, including cryptocurrency, forex, commodities, and indices. These are way more tradable assets than other major crypto exchanges offer to their users. On PrimeXBT, you can use all mobile devices, a laptop, or PC or iOS. Trading on PrimeXBT from the US. It is currently blocked, so if you want to trade on this platform from the US or anywhere in North America, you need to use a VPN. I recommend Proton VPN, one of the most popular VPNs out there. Always remember that all VPNs, carry a risk of connection separation. In the event of such a thing, a trade may be closed. Now, as we move forward, please know that this tutorial is not financial advice. Invest at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes. The registration process for owning a PrimeXBT trading account is very easy and straightforward. The exchange does not require new users to submit any KYC documents, so all you need to sign up for an account is a working email address, a strong password, and a mobile number to get your verification codes. Once you have those requirements, click on the link in the bottom of this video to register and sign up for an account. Please make sure to turn on your VPN before trying to create your account. Now, PrimeXBT for all Mystic Rick followers is currently offering a 50% deposit bonus using my code CryptoPicks. You enter your promo code, hit activate, and then put in your deposit. Okay, do not enter your deposit before, enter your deposit after. You'll see it down at the bottom under the bonuses section under active. And if you desire, you can cancel it at any time. The bonus is only usable for margin trading, not spot trading. Now, let's move on to talk about leverage. PrimeXBT offers traders a 1 to 100 leverage for trading cryptocurrencies and a 1 to 1,000 leverage for trading forex, indices, and commodities. How does this work? Well, with leverage of 1 to 100, you can take a position that is 100 times more than your account balance. However, leverage is a double-edged sword and should be used with caution and by only experienced traders. A simple explanation of leverage trading and the risk involved. On PrimeXBT Exchange, you can trade Bitcoin with up to a 100x leverage. An easy way of understanding leverage trading is to think of it as being able to open a position worth more money than the initial margin you are risking to open the position. When leverage trading, it is important to know that margin trading offers both big opportunities as well as big risks. For example, if you open a Bitcoin position on PrimeXBT using $1,000 worth of Bitcoin leverage, your full position at 10x will be worth $10,000. This means that if the Bitcoin price moves up only 1%, you will actually make 10% on your initial margin. If you use 25x leverage and the Bitcoin price moves up 2%, your return on investment will be 50%, etc. Of course, the same can be said if the prices move in the opposite direction, but with negative returns. You are essentially borrowing Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency from the exchange to maximize your profits. However, remember, this comes with increased risk because of something called the liquidation price. In very simple terms, increased leverage means increased risk. For example, if we open a $1,000 Bitcoin position on PrimeXBT with the default 10x leverage, we will increase our profits by 10 times if the Bitcoin price moves up. However, if the price moves down 10%, we will reach our liquidation price. If you use 100x leverage, which is the highest leverage possible on PrimeXBT for Bitcoin, it only takes a 1% drop in the Bitcoin price for us to reach the liquidation price. Simply put, higher leverage means that the liquidation price will be closer to your entry price, which is riskier. When the Bitcoin price touches the liquidation price, our position on PrimeXBT gets liquidated, which basically means that we lose our initial margin. In other words, if the position gets liquidated, we lose the position and the money we use to open the position. Consequently, to prevent the leverage position from getting liquidated, you should always set up a stop loss. This is extremely important. A common question is, can I lose more than I deposit into the exchange and then be in debt to PrimeXBT? No, you can never lose more than you deposit into PrimeXBT account. If you deposit zero point 0.1 BTC into PrimeXBT exchange, the maximum amount of funds you can lose is 0.1 BTC. Moreover, you can never lose more than the funds you use to open a position. Now, PrimeXBT, trading fees. PrimeXBT Exchange has remained very competitive in its fee structure, providing users with one of the lowest fees in Bitcoin trading industry. Currently, PrimeXBT charges a very low flat fee of about 0.05% per trade. This is very low, especially when compared to other exchanges. Most other cryptocurrency exchanges charge as much as 0.075% per order, and some have recently reached a lot higher. One of the most chosen Bitcoin trading exchanges, Bybit, has a varying taker fee. However, Bybit has a negative maker fee of up to negative 0.035%. If you use the market order a lot for entering trades on your chosen cryptocurrency pairs, then PrimeXBT is for you. PrimeXBT also charges overnight finance fees for holding a position open overnight, but this varies from trading pair to pair. And obviously here, your trading fee is never going to change in terms of which cryptocurrency pair you pick, whether it's EOS, XRP, Litecoin, Ethereum, or Bitcoin. And also, PrimeXBT does allow you to go up to 100x leverage on those altcoins. However, be mindful, very, very risky. Now, once you've turned on the VPN and you've gotten signed up, all you have to do after you enter your bonus, which you'll go to margin, account, enter your bonus, it'll pop up below, and then you can make a deposit. Once you make a deposit and you want to margin trade, you click fund account, you add the amount from your original main wallet, and then you'd hit transfer. Your main wallets for cryptocurrency will be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether on the ERC20, USDC, and then you have what's known as a co-vesting token. Whenever you're ready to withdraw, enter your destination address, the amount, and submit to withdraw. PrimeXBT processes all pending withdrawals once a day between 12 and 1400 UTC time. A withdrawal requested before that will be processed on the same day. Any withdrawal requested after will be processed on the next day. Now, let's go over to our margins tab and let's look at some of the awesome things here. Now, this would be your main trading page. As we're currently looking at Bitcoin, as it's on the rise right now, you have a couple options here. You can click the buy button to start a trade, the sell button to start a trade, or you can right click to open a trade. If you would like to turn on your indicators, you click that little glass, type in the indicator you want, and then you turn it on. If you want to modify the colors, you do that down here under the plot section. If you would like to modify the actual background of this chart or your numbers, you click the cogwheel and then you can affect the appearance or the padding. If you want to change your candle structure, you can use bars, candles, or lines. If you like to doodle, here you can click trend line, price line, timeline, all the way down through adding a text note. Time frames go from 1 minute to 1 month on this little down arrow beside the buy button. Once you open a position, it will be displayed below in this positions tab, and it'll show the symbol, size, fill price, current price, P&L, take profit, and stop loss if you have one entered. If you would like to modify how much of the chart you see, you come down here to this little magnification glass and you grab the end and you slide it back and forth. Up top is where you have your balance, your equity, unrealized P&L, used margin, available margin, and then the percentage of such. Now, this is the awesome part. Instead of going over to TradingView and bouncing back and forth between PrimeXBT and TradingView, I can look at my Bitcoin, Ethereum, and EOS shorts or longs all at the same time. I can modify those charts from here independently, and I can also watch the S&P 500. I can modify lines and drawings on each one of these charts independently, all while watching on my trades. If you want to change the chart, you just come up here next to chart, and if I'd like to look at the US dollar versus the peso, or I'd like to look at gold, I have the option to do so. You'll also have a trading history tab, an activity logs tab, and if you come back here, this is an awesome thing about this page. You click analysis at the top, and guess what it's going to open? Charts by TradingView. So now what you're looking at is actual Bitcoin price on the hourly versus the US dollar. You can zoom in and out. You can change the colors through settings, just like you would in TradingView. Looks very familiar, doesn't it? And of course, if you like to doodle, you can do that. If you'd like to draw trend lines, you can do that. If you'd like to measure out movements, which from the bottom to the top, we're currently at a 19% gain. Or if you'd like to draw out your fib retracements, you can do that. You can also add indicators in here. And then coming soon will be markets, as well as the news, all within PrimeXBT. Now, once you're more experienced, you can get into co-vesting. You can look at the top traders in the space. You can follow them, follow their trade ideas. Again, this is a great exchange. You don't want to miss out. So make sure to click my link in the description below in this video. Use your VPN before signing up and go ahead and get that deposit. You must make a minimum of 0.001 Bitcoin in order to get the bonus. That is the only stipulation. You must make a minimum deposit of 0.001. So turn on your VPN, click the link in the description, get signed up, enter your bonus code, make your deposit, and start trading away. Now, make sure to stay tuned. Here shortly, you'll be able to catch me making a PrimeXBT live long trade or a live short trade. Which one is it going to be? Stay tuned and find out. Thank you all for coming today and learning more about PrimeXBT. Make sure to hit that like and share, and also that subscribe button. And don't forget, the PrimeXBT link is in the description below. I'm Mystic Rick. Go get those gains.